Today, I will guide you that how you can go ahead and check the price insight of any item while creating the document. Let's go to transaction module for that. In transaction module, on your right hand side in the very top corner, you will see an option of create document. Please click on this. Now, here suppose I am going ahead and creating a purchase order or order confirmation. This insight can be shown in any of the purchase order or order confirmation. So I'm going ahead and creating a purchase order as of now. So select the purchase order option, select the supplier company name. Now, so this is the purchase order format in front of you. Going below, I will go ahead and select one of my items. Once I will select one of my item, like suppose I have selected the gray paint. So just next to the item, there is a bulb icon. So please click on this. Now, once I will click on this, it will provide you an insight around the price. Please check, it gives an overall and exactly in what price the previous purchase order was placed. So average price and the last price is provided. Suppose my overall average price is 976.19 rupees per kg, and I wish to select this particular price in my document. So I can select there. Please have a look, the price got changed. So this is how you can go ahead and check your insight. On your left hand side in the very bottom, you will see a bulb icon. Please click on this. It will provide you the last purchase order details along with all the status, amount, creation date, delivery date. You can also click on this icon and so that your purchase order can be opened. So this is how you can go ahead and check the last price. I hope it helped you out. Have a good day ahead.